This taco-inspired chicken salad is a meal unto itself, but goes great in sandwiches and with side dishes. Plus, it only takes you minutes to put together. So to start, get your vegetables and herbs ready. I'm using 1 green and 1 red bell pepper or capsicum, half a red onion, and 2 tomatoes all diced up. Plus I have a handful of fresh cilantro or coriander chopped up as well. Now these give us the base for a great flavour and freshness in this salad. So once you've prepped them, just leave them aside and we'll get started on the dressing. So into a large bowl, add in 2 tablespoons of whole egg mayonnaise, followed by half a teaspoon of cumin. Next, for some heat, add in a 1/4 teaspoon of hot chili powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, and season with salt and pepper. And finally, add in the juice of half a lime. Now give everything a good mix around until combined and taste for seasoning. Now add in the vegetables and herbs to the dressing, and then we're going to get onto the protein. In my case, I'm using chicken breast that I've roasted the day before and had left over. But if you've got shrimp or prawns or even some meaty fish, that would work well too. And all I've done to the chicken breast is cut it into large chunks and place them in the vegetables and the dressing. It's a great way to get rid of some leftover protein. Now give everything a good mix around until well combined. Taste to see if you need more lime juice or cilantro, and you're ready to go. This can be chilled in the fridge to serve as a side dish or heated up in a panini or toasted sandwich that will rock your world. Either way, it's simply delicious. And as always, you can find the recipe in the description. And thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you soon for another recipe.